How to split or trim a video on TikTok Editing Studio. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can split or trim a video on TikTok Editing Studio. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your TikTok application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now, if you want to split or trim a video, first of all, you need to have that video. You can either upload it from your gallery or you can simply record from here by tapping on the plus icon at the bottom of the interface. Now from here you can record a video, or if you like to import from your gallery, tap on this gallery icon and import from your device. So here we will just create a. Now once you have created your video, you will land in this page. Now, in order to trim or split this video, navigate to this toolbar at the right hand side of this interface. So, just under the settings icon, there is a small trim icon. Tap on it. That's going to take you to your editing studio. So, from here, in order to trim this video on your timeline, tap on the edit option from the bottom left corner. Here, you will see more option. Now, tap on the video in your timeline and then you have to drag your video where you want to split. There you will notice a vertical line, so you have to place the video on that line where you want to trim. For example, I want to trim this video on this time right here. After that, tap on split from the bottom left corner. And with that, now the video is splitted into two parts. If you want to select the first part, tap on the first part. So this one is the first part, and if you want to go to the second part, simply tap on your second part and you can split the video in the same way. You can drag your video on your timeline to the time that you want to split and simply tap on split. And that's how you can split or trim a video on TikTok Editing Studio. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.